Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to draw Glitch Effect Freddy Fazbear. For this tutorial, you're going to need paper, pencil, and some markers. I recommend using Posca. Let's get right into the video. Okay, first thing we're going to start with our Freddy Fazbear head. It's going to be the head for the Freddy Fazbear head for the glitch effect. Confusing. So kind of like in my comic video, we're going to start with a circle. Then you're going to make kind of like, don't know how to explain it, so it'll look like this. It's like an extra layer down here. Then you're going to want to make one line from there, here, one line right here, and to there. So it looks like this. This is going to be like plain and simple head, but we're not going to color it because we're going to be using our red, blue, and white for the glitch effect. So about right here, you're going to make his nostril, which is like a circle. And then that goes down, then curves around here. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 dots. Then right here, we're gonna make a line that goes all the way to here with 1 tooth, another tooth, 1, 2, 3 teeth. Then you make a short line right there and a little bigger one, and you can connect them like that. Then you make a line that goes in, goes out, and this line's gonna go all the way out, then in. Then I'm gonna make like his ear, which is like kinda almost a circle. That same shape in there. Same thing right here. Then you're going to make like a very stretched out U shape with 2 lines that go out and then connect. So it looks like that. Then his eyes. Circle, circle. It looks like he's like, but no. And then you make like a little tiny circle on top, and then color a. Wait, actually no, you don't need to color them because we're not even gonna color anything in this video. I mean, you can color around it, but you won't need to. Then his eyebrows. So they start from short and they go really big when they come out. This is what your Freddy Fazbear should look like. Now I'm going to be grabbing the colors that you will need for this video, and I'll be showing you on how to do it. Because if this is your first time doing it, then you're going to need help. If this is not your first time doing it, then go and do it by yourself. I'm joking. Came back. Well, I am back. So you need these colors, and you need to top it off with a black. So, okay. Now that I got my black, I'm gonna fast forward to the outlining. Okay. Actually, you can color in this part, his eyes, and his eyebrows. But that's the only part you get to color. Okay, people, now that I think about it, color his mouth and his nostril black, but not his top hat. Just gonna go around with my black one more time. Okay. So for this side will be red. So all of this side is gonna be, well, I just said it, red. So until at least when you get about like right here in the middle, that's when you're gonna stop. And about like right there, that's where you'll stop that. You also gotta get the ear. All like that. Then you wanna make like lines coming from the red side going to this side. And you can make lines spread out like that. Now time for the blue. So we'll fast forward through the blue part because you should know what to do with the blue. Just make it the opposite side of the red. That means also the lines are going to be going the opposite side. Okay, so this is what it should look like. And I need to like change some stuff. And once you get all of this situated, you just sit there and wait until it is dry. So I'm just gonna be waiting here until it's dry. I will tell you when it's dry. So I'm gonna wait here. Okay, after this is dry, you wanna grab a white, and I recommend all of this using Posca. Then just randomly in random places, you're gonna make white spots. And then after you're done making all of that, you're gonna grab your black, and you're gonna go beep, body, boo. That means you're done. So this is what your glitch effect Freddy Fazbear should look like. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys before I see you guys in the next one, I need you guys to like and subscribe. Please, and go visit my website, TrentCardinal.com. Go visit my website, TrentCardinal.com, and please hit that like and subscribe button. Down, it's here somewhere, right in the corner. Press it. Bye.